Tugboat Timmy here. I'm here today in Wilmer, Texas, and I'm going to talk to you about a shop experience that I had today here at Redneck Diesel Performance in Wilmer, Texas. This is one of the best shops out here. If you find yourself in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and you need a shop, these guys will get you in pretty quick and do the job right. I would like to say dealership quality. If you're a guy that usually takes your truck to a dealership, well, you know that they're a little bit overpriced and there's usually a long wait. Here, these guys at Redneck Performance usually get you in pretty quick, get the job done, very fair and very reasonable. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the shop. This shop does all kinds of work, anywhere from a rebuild to an oil change. They also do warranty work. My truck was covered under warranty, so they actually made that happen. They did all the legwork and made sure that it got approved. As you come around to the side, you'll see they have just as many bays as an actual dealership, and the actual mechanics are all certified, so you know that they'll do the job right. Quick tour of their driver's lounge. As you're waiting to get your truck fixed, they actually take good care of the drivers. You got a great, comfortable place to sit. They offer free coffee. They have an awesome bathroom. And ladies and gentlemen, they actually have a shower. What other shops do you know that have a shower? That's pretty awesome. If you need a shower, they got you. Microwave. Good little area to take care of the drivers. I am privileged to be here with the owner, Todd Stewart, and he's going to privilege us with a tour of his shop. So here we go. Okay, everybody, I got kind of an aerial view here of Redneck Diesel Performance. It's a pretty big shop. Like I said, it's dealership quality. So if you're one of those guys that takes your truck to the shop, this is a better alternative. Better service. People treat you right. And you can be assured that your truck will be fixed correctly as well.
I run trucks myself, so I kind of understand the whole circle of this world because I'm running 80, 90 trucks myself.
I was just informed, everybody, that Redneck Diesel Performance actually participates in drag racing, and this is one of their drag trucks, but also is a daily workhorse. This truck actually goes to work and on the weekends on the drag strip. That's pretty awesome. I know all you guys like the see the motor when the motor's all broke down. As you can see, the head's been removed and you see the bottom part of the motor.
A lot of the rebuilds, when a guy has something rebuilt at an independent shop, they don't even check the counterboard. So 6 months from now, what happens is you start blowing head gases because the liners are sitting down. So we check liner protection on every single one and have the ability to counterbore them here in-house.
They're not sending the work, outsourcing the work. They're actually doing it right here in the shop. And that just goes to show that this is dealership quality. This shop is huge. And there's your oil pan. Pistons and liners. Here's the cylinder heads. All your bolts, jakes, and ejectors. These are fuel injectors, right? Yeah, those are very popular. All right, let's continue. On with Todd.
We have an alignment rack. The first bay is an alignment rack. That bay is blueprinted, so there's no jack and comp or anything like that. Just push them up onto the turntables and align them right there. We got a 5-ton overhead crane that runs all 8 bays on this side of the shop. So literally I can take an engine out of bay 1 and shift it down to bay 8.
Just giving you guys a brief rundown and how huge this shop really is. Good quality work. You know, if they race trucks, they do a good job, right?
So we're a PDI dealer, we're a fast dealer, OPS dealer. We do some of the stuff for Pittsburgh Power. A lot of performance stuff to help get better fuel mileage with the fuel costs the way they are nowadays. Most of these products I'm running on, all these products I run on my own truck. And I don't sell anything that's snake oil because I know that it works.
So, in other words, tested by Todd and used by Todd and sold by Todd right here at Redneck Diesel. If you're in need of truck service or have any issues and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, make sure you come to Redneck and tell them Tugboat Timmy sent you.